TikTok made me buy it. Alright, y'all. Stephanie here. So, I did a makeup haul from PopColor. I think it's PopColor Makeup on TikTok, y'all. Stay off of TikTok because they make you buy stuff. They go live every day almost. And they're a makeup company out of China. And they had some really good stuff. They did scoops and bundles and stuff like that. So I thought, you know, I've never done anything like that. Let's try it. Let's try it, right? So my order came. It took about 3 weeks to come from PopColor Makeup. All right. I'll put the website link down in the description. I'm not affiliated. I'm just sharing. Okay. So we're going to see all the goodies that I got, right? All the goodies. I think I did the buy one palette, get one free, plus 10 extra pieces or something like that. And y'all, side note, last night I put in another order. I'll share that when that comes in, okay? All right, so let's go over the palettes. I'm going to take everything out of the bag. I did get some duplicates, which I'm not a fan of. I'm not a fan of multiple things of the same thing. I didn't like duplicates. So when I put in this order recently, I told them no duplicates, okay? So let's go ahead and go over the bundles. These are the bundles, all right? So I bought one, and then you get one free, okay? The eyeshadow palettes. So I believe this one is the Mermaid. I did open it to look at it earlier, you know, just sort of see, make sure everything was intact. But oh, first of all, here's what it looks like, okay? Very cute, all right? All right, that's the cover. And I love the colors, to be honest with y'all. All right, let's look at the colors here, y'all. Can I open it? Can I open it? Hold on. Let's take this out. Let me show you. Look at the colors. Absolutely beautiful. You get I guess you get some highlighters. You get some blushes in here. And everything I got all together, y'all, was $29.99. So I got, what, 13, 14 pieces of makeup for $29.99. Beautiful colors. Very pigmented. Let's try this one, which is very pigmented here. Let's try this on my hand. You know, I'm no expert here at beauty stuff, but I will show y'all, okay? See, look at the pigment on that. Beautiful. Really, really pretty. Beautiful colors. All right, so I'm just going to add this to my repertoire. Now, there's no weird, you know, like chemical smells or anything like that. So, you know, ooh, I want to try this, like this teal one. Hold on, let me see. Y'all, I can't hold this right. Let's see, where is it? This one. Oh, this one right here. All right, see, I got that. Oh, sorry. Let's try that. See, very pigmented. I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, pretty. So, yeah, some people were asking in the live about, like, hyperallergenic and allergic, things like that. You know, I don't know. You might have to just take your chances. I haven't had any issues, you know, with any of this stuff yet, but that's not to say that, you know, you could. So just buy at your own risk. All right, you get 50 colors eyeshadow palette. Very, very pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I love it. They have some really cute eyeshadow palettes, y'all. Really, really cute. Sorry, the camera's right here. I'm used to filming a different way, y'all, so I'm trying this way of filming. All right, now this one is called Storm Simulation. Okay. It just says, I don't know. Let's see. Let's look at this. I did test it, this one a little bit as well, because I just wanted to see it. All right, these are pretty colors as well. Right, very, very pretty colors. Just showing it up to, you know, what they look like. Beautiful colors, very pigmented, which I love. So I'm trying this one right here. This one is called Autumn. Okay, that's Autumn. All right, so let's try it on the hand here. Oh, look at that, so pigmented, beautiful. I like that. I like it a lot. No weird smells or anything. It's fine. You know, I think you take your chances regardless of where you're buying stuff from. That's just my opinion. Because, child, I bought stuff from TJ Maxx that was made right here in good old US of A and woke up with pimples on my face. So, I don't know. Take that for what it's worth. Okay? So, again, I did the buy one, get one palette free. Again, PopColor Makeup on TikTok. Go ahead and follow them. They have a website. They do different specials every day. I'm just sharing because I thought it was a cool, cool thing. They have multiple platforms of makeup people who do that on TikTok. I just happen to like PopColor, y'all. PopColor. Yeah, I can say the name right. PopColor. But there's other companies that do that. All right, so those are the palettes, right? So let's get into these are liquid ultimate liquid eyeliners. Okay, there was like 5 eyeliners in the bag, y'all. See, that part I don't like. There's another eyeliner here. Okay, here's another eyeliner, which I like this one actually. Oh, one more. I think this is eyeliner. Yep, another eyeliner, y'all. So when you do the scoop, sometimes you do get multiple, things, right? I don't need 5 eyeliners, so I'm gonna have to give these away. But I want to show you this one because it's really pretty here. Because I'm gonna give one of these away, so I only want to open one. But this one is really beautiful. That is the name of it. There. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I got makeup on my hands because I was doing the swatches. But let's open it and see here. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Looks like a pen, right? Looks like a pen. It's really, really nice. And that's what it says on here. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I got to get this situation together. Oh, my bangs. This is beautiful, right? Oop, I'm dropping it. Well, let's open it and see. Uh-oh, wait. Am I doing it wrong? Hold on. How do you open this? Oh, duh. So here is the what it looks like. I mean, let's do a test here. Oh, okay. So like that. That's pretty. No weird smells. Nothing weird. I like that. That's beautiful though. Oh my God. Oh wait, let me see. Let me put it back in here correctly. All right, that's beautiful, right? Oh, I love that. So I'm keeping one for myself, and I'm gonna probably give this one away. I don't know. I don't want to open a lot of this stuff because I'm probably gonna give it away. This is a matte eyeliner. Okay, that's a matte one. Let me see here. Let's just take a look at it. I don't want to use it because I might give it away, All right, so here is the matte eyeliner. That's what it looks like. So it's like a little, one of these type things. All right, so there you go. Again, no weird smells. Nothing, I don't smell anything chemical-wise, nothing stinky or anything. So that's nice. All right, so hey, we'll look at, keep that aside. So keep that. And I'm really interested in this one, y'all. Really, I'm interested in this one, okay? So let's go ahead and open this one. All right, it's beautiful. It almost looks like an art pen. I actually have an art pen like that looks like this, except it's gold. So, oh, look at this. That is gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Let's see. How do we open this one? Hold on. I think oh, there we go. I gotta figure out how to open this. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's so pretty. And that's the, all right, very pretty. Oh, I like that one. Well, we'll be keeping that one, right? We'll definitely be keeping that one. Let's try to put it back on there. So we'll keep that out. Oh, look at these. Too pretty. Two pretties, right? Two pretties. I know, I'm sorry. I keep looking over here, but the camera's right there. All right, so this is a loose eyeshadow that came in there. And, I don't know, by Kiss Beauty. I've never heard of that, but hey, let's check it out. Oh, I think I know what this is. This is that, yes, this is the one you dust on, y'all. Oh, yeah, I've been seeing some of the girls on TikTok do that. Oh, yeah, they do it like, it's more like a duster thing. I don't know. Let me see. Oh, yeah, see, look, it's like a fairy dust. Oh, I guess you could use it like that, but you could probably use it for anything. Oh, yes. I've been seeing the girls use this. Okay. I'm glad I got one of these. Bold, vibrant, loose eyeshadow. Shining eyes. Silky texture. Okay. So that's what it looks like. All right. Sorry about my glare. Well, yeah, that's cute. Because you can actually just dust it on like fairy dust. That's what I would do. So, love these three. And my makeup palettes. Oh, yay. All right, so we're going to toss these, okay? Now, look, we got a new a Kiss Beauty lip gloss. Okay. This is what it looks like. Pink. Okay. Now, let's try this. Let's see. It's like clear, I think. Oh, yeah. It's nice and clear. Sheer. Very, very sheer. So, that's pretty. I wonder, does it go on, you know, oh, it looks like it might change pink. You know, change the color of your makeup here. Let's see. Let's put a little bit on. I like it. I like it a lot. So that's a keeper. Keeping that. All right. So now, this one is called Charm Eyeliner. No idea. This is the brand. Okay. Let's take a look. Let's see. Yeah, we don't need all these eyeliners. Oh, it's like a pen like this. Okay. All right, that's what it looks like. So, and then same kind of tip, you know, like all the rest of them. So, you know, interesting. All right, so I'll put that one aside because I'm gonna give that one away too. And then they sent a little makeup sponge. I think it's a sponge. Yeah. Oh, wait, let's open this. It says, yeah, it's a sponge. But, I don't know. Let's see. What's in here, y'all? It says, it's just a sponge, I think. It's just a little sponge. Okay. I was thinking something else was in here. I was looking at it, but it's just a sponge. So I'm not going to open it. But you can see it through the packaging. Okay. That's kind of cute. I don't know if I'll keep it, but... And then I did get a mascara, a long lash mascara, and it came apart. So, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to hold it like this so you can see it. So you can see it. Right? Alright, so yeah. Yeah. Oh, well, hell, it's falling apart, so, might as well go ahead and open it, right? Let's take a look. Oh, okay. Oh. Tiny, a little bit of a smell, but... Most mascaras have a little smell to them. This is a 2-in-1 mascara, long lash. Okay, that's the brush on the purple side. Curling, this is the curling side. Okay, hang on, let's see. See, it says curling side. All right, y'all, and then this is the side that says lengthening. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Oh, I like the dual, Oh, so I wonder if you're supposed to put this on first and then put the other side on. Probably. Nothing. No. Nothing out of the ordinary. Just saying. It's my opinion. All right. So that was that. I can't wait to see what the new bundle I ordered. That was also $29.99. I think I also got in that bundle about 13 to 14 pieces, y'all. PopColor makeup on TikTok. And they have a website too. So you can order from the website, or you can even watch the live and see what the special of the day is. Because every day I think is a new special. And put your order in. Some of the girls, honey, they are ordering like crazy. Okay. So what is this one? This one is, what is this, y'all? Enjoy. Oh, it's a brow. I think it says eyebrow cream or something. So that's what it says there. You know what? I did not open this. I don't know if I want, and that's the color. I don't know if I want to open this, y'all, because I might give it away. I know. I want to look at it, but hang on. Let me see. Let me get. Here we go. This is you know, real time here. Oh, this is this is natural brown. Well, let's take a look. Oh, it's like that. Look. Oh, it's like. Okay, like a little thing there, and I guess the other part is probably here. Let's see. Let's open it. Oh, I don't see nothing in there. Oh, duh, it's right there. Oh yeah, you know what? That's cool. I like that with the little brush. You dip the little brush in this, in that end. Okay, that's different. I might play with that since I did open it. So. And that's what it says on the back. Okay. All right, so we got that. Lots of goodies, y'all. Lots of goodies. Okay, we're gonna throw this one away. Just trying to get all the empties out of the way. And then what else? I think we got a couple of last little pieces here. This is another waterproof eyebrow. Okay. Now I think this is too dark for me. This is black. Yes, he is black. So I'm not gonna probably keep this one, I think. Oh no, it says dark coffee, waterproof. I'm sorry, I'm trying to read it. Dark coffee, waterproof, 24-hour long lasting. I don't know. But that was in there. You know, we'll put it with the other stuff, okay? And then yep, so this is the one is this the one? Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Do I get 3 of these? Wait a minute. So I got 1. Wait, y'all. Oh, no. I was about to say, did I get 3 of these? Oh, my God. So I got this one for the giveaway. So these things I'm going to probably put in the giveaway along with some other stuff that I have, y'all. So stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, okay? All right. And, oh, the last thing that I got was the little baby strawberry. Like a little, I think it's a lip balm. Let's see, that's what it looks like. Let me see. Oh, it's like a little, like a strawberry lip balm. That's the color right there. All right, very pretty. Okay, cute. Okay. Doesn't smell bad. Smells like strawberries. So I like it. I'm keeping that one too. All right. So I love my stuff from PopColor makeup, y'all. I can't wait for my second order to come in. Oh God, look, I messed it up already, y'all. Just a second. We gotta put it together. Don't break it, Stephanie. All right, y'all. So that's my haul from PopColor makeup, and I love my goodies. All my goodies. Let's do for the thumbnail. Okay. Love all of that. All right. So again, check them out on TikTok and check out the website. I happen to like following them, so you know you'll probably be seeing more hauls from them, you know, with me because I like their stuff. All right. Yay. All right. Thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.